Hi, this is Aaron, and welcome to Everything in Particular, the video blog from Puraka Masks. So today we have a short post. I'd like to talk to you a little bit about polypropylene. Woohoo! Polypropylene is a nonwoven material that is found in surgical masks and in good cloth face masks. The CDC recommends it. It's on their site. It's something that has good protective capabilities. This is going to seem really weird, but it's also really easy to breathe through. So I barely notice it. It's a good material, and I'll show you in a second how it interacts with water. But this is a Puraka mask, and this is our new one. It's the essential gray, as opposed to our essential black from before. Tan liner, nose wire, under chin extension. Wait, what's this? It's missing an ear loop. That's because I've cut open the liner and to show you the inside. And this is a layer of really high quality medical grade apertured polypropylene. It means apertured means that it has holes that will allow air, but it's precisely perforated to prevent moisture and particulates from going through with the air. And this is actually heat transferred onto the fabric. This is what the polypropylene looks like when it's not on the fabric. So and it just a note, it's not just the front of the mask; it's the entire mask, including the under chin extension, that has that polypropylene on it. Why is the polypropylene on it, you ask? Let's do an experiment. This is a water bottle, obviously, and we put that in there just to show you. Oh, there we go. Oh, we lost it. Now I try to do that with a little bit of cotton. Let's take one that's just the cotton liner, and just to show the difference. Of course, it's going to beat up a little bit because it's a good sort of woven fabric, but still you can see the difference, right? It beads a little bit, but it pretty clearly doesn't all get repelled. That's the polypropylene. We've got another video where we on our Clean Air Resources blog where we do a time test and show the difference between like a high medical grade apertured polypropylene and a poor quality one to show how much longer it takes for water to penetrate. This one, we'll do a time lapse video at some point, but I left water in this overnight, and it was still beaded there at the bottom. Now, obviously, that doesn't tell you, that's sort of more a fun thing, but just from a filtration standpoint, with this type of material, you're probably already past 50% in that fine aerosol range. And with really minimal breathing resistance, this is a really good material to have in any cloth reusable mask. In fact, at this point, if it didn't have this and it didn't have a layer of quilting, which is sort of the other one that acts as a really good sort of fine aerosol filter, moisture repellent, I probably wouldn't wear a mask that didn't have a filter come with it, or one of those two elements. So anyways, thank you. Please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more new videos.